Hi guys, it's me Kanya Galen. So now, as expected sa mga early bird like me, di pa dyan ako ma-post di pa dyan ko maka-post og early sunshine or sunset is because it's 4:50 in the morning. Di pa siya na, ayun lang siya moon pa lang yung lumabas, hindi pa lumabas yung sunset. And also, this di ko siya lalabas ngayon. It's because I feel it's cloudy. So, you can see that. I only see it because wait, you see that one? Yeah, it's going to, pero di pa Japanese nyo kita die. So yeah, yun lang. So early bit na nakaroon sa Baktas Tower. Okay, yeah, nakita ninyo na it's so malaya, but that's the only way I can ride ship. So magwak na Baktas na to day. Yun lang, bye.